Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money into your Robinhood account. First, ensure your bank account is linked. You can do this through the app's transfer section. Next, decide on your deposit amount. Remember, instant deposits offer immediate buying power up to a certain limit, while standard transfers take a few business days to clear. Always review your transaction before confirming. Linking your bank account is the first crucial step. Open your Robinhood app and find the Transfers section. From there, select Link a Bank Account. Robinhood uses Plaid, a secure service, to connect with most major banks. Follow the prompts to securely log into your bank and verify your account. This process is quick and ensures your funds are transferred safely. Once your bank account is linked, initiating a deposit is straightforward. Go back to the Transfers section and select Deposit Funds. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, perhaps $500, and then choose your linked bank account. Always take a moment to review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Most standard deposits will clear and be available in your account within 1 to 3 business days. It's important to understand a few key details about deposits. Robinhood offers instant deposits, giving you immediate buying power, often up to $1,000, before the funds fully settle. Your specific instant deposit limit can vary. The most common method is an ACH transfer, but you can also use wire transfers for larger amounts. Always check the current limits and processing times within the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.